When I learned that I was named Pro Bono Attorney of the Year, I just started sobbing. It was really incredible to get named for this award. Hi, my name is Philomena Kebec. I am an attorney that's licensed to practice in Wisconsin. Currently, I serve as the Economic Development Coordinator for the Bad River Tribe, and I do pro bono on the side. When I learned that I was named Pro Bono Attorney of the Year, I just started sobbing because the work that I do that's pro bono is really kind of thankless. It's a lot of interactions, great interactions with my clients, but I don't talk about it and I can't really talk about it very much. So it was really incredible to get named for this award. Sure. So I started doing pro bono efforts before I became a lawyer. My job before law school was as the office manager for a small family law firm. And we did a lot of pro bono in Minneapolis for the Volunteer Lawyers Network. We had some really interesting cases, and what I learned about it was the pro bono cases were the most fun. It's a privilege to be an attorney, and I feel like as an attorney, we have a responsibility to give back to communities, especially people who are in need and don't have access to legal services without pro bono work. And so I think there's a responsibility that goes along with it. Also, these cases are really pleasurable. It's just very enjoyable to work with people on a one-on-one basis and be able to identify their needs and follow through on that and get them a result. So I'll give some really practical advice to attorneys with respect to getting involved in pro bono cases. Find the legal services corporation that works in your area and get on their list. Tell them the kind of cases that you're interested in and start taking a case. I usually just take one case at a time. Take a case at a time. And if there's a particular subject area that you're really interested in, ask them to send you those kinds of cases. I get a lot of personal satisfaction being able to work with the clientele that I work with on a one-to-one basis. I try to work with Native women who are in need of legal services because of issues of violence or other marginalization. To be able to work these cases is really important to me because I come from I have a history of trauma, and having support for families who have dealt with the things that I've dealt with as a child is it provides me a certain level of healing. Another reason pro bono work is really important is because it gives you perspective on policy changes that need to happen here in the state of Wisconsin. And so there's really good insights that you can glean from working these cases in order to move the state forward, make a difference, and change things for more people in the state.